Hi, I'm James from roofracks.co.uk and today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a lock barrel inside any Thule accessory. Changing the lock inside a Thule roof box has a slightly different procedure, so please view our roof box tutorial video showing how to do this. Thule accessories are usually supplied with a set of locks and keys for locking the accessory to the car and also to lock your cargo to the carrier. If you have several Thule accessories, you may find that the locks and keys in each item are not all the same, making it difficult or even impossible to know which key to use in each of the locks. For example, you may have a pair of roof bars and 4 roof-mounted cycle carriers. If each of the cycle carriers uses different keys and the roof rack uses yet another key, then you could have 5 pairs of keys. Imagine how tricky this becomes when you're trying to work out which keys operate each of the locks. At roofracks.co.uk, we include lock matching as a completely free service for all new orders. This means that you can use one key to lock and unlock all of your accessories. It is also possible to do this yourself at home in a matter of seconds. All you need are the required number of locks and keys and a Thule master key. Firstly, turn the lock using the original key to the unlock position and then remove the key. Next, insert the master key into the lock and gently wiggle the key as you pull the key out with the lock barrel attached. Remove the master key from the lock barrel and place it into the new lock barrel. Then visually line up the pins on the edge of the barrel with the cutout on the inside of the lock housing and gently push the lock barrel into position. Now place your finger on the lock barrel and remove the master key. You can now operate the lock with the new key. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found it helpful, please click on the like button below and also click our Simply Thule logo to subscribe and see more instructional videos from roofracks.co.uk.